guess so, right? Well, I'd like to see what kind of baby's gonna come out of that.
Protection.
I am wearing a full suit of armor. Does that count as protection?
You gotta be like Nick Cannon and have like what is it? He has a goddamn vending machine of condoms in his garage. He never uses them though.
He's got.
Are we going to the cemetery?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna go die.
Alright. Yeah, I hate the cemetery. Let's go.
I love the cemetery.
Alright.
It makes me seem like you like the cemetery.
I used to go to the cemetery when I was a kid. Look for ghosts.
Oh, well, you can look for ghosts in your own house. You don't have to go to a cemetery.
I got a spectrometer for that. I don't have any ghosts in my house. Definitely have ghosts in the cemetery. Oh,
well, you don't have any ghosts that you know of in your house.
The spectrometer says I don't have any. I take its word for it. Plus, I have one of those FLIR cameras. I watch all the fucking ghost hunting shows you can imagine. I got all the gadgets. I've actually seen a ghost back in the day.
I've had one talk to me once. It said hey, and that's all it said.
Oh wow, that's creepy.
Yeah, but it was like the way it was like a whisper, and I heard it like it was on my left side, and literally just like somebody saying hey, almost like they're running past you while they say it, like hey, like just a real quick but it was like I was like what the it was weird.
It's insane.
Yeah,
insane.
I mean, you know, I know ghosts are real, but I haven't had very many.
I used to live in the Bronx in this old apartment building when we first came here, and I was playing hide and seek with my brother, and I turned around. I was in the bathroom counting. I must have been like 5 or 6, and I turned around, and there was this like bluish figure standing there. It kind of looked like a person with like a blanket draped over their head. And I'm like, Roman, is that you? That's my brother's name.
Right.
And then he didn't say anything. I ran. I found him hiding in like the closet in like the other room. I'm like, were you just in the bathroom behind me? He's like, no. I go back. Of course, there's nothing there.
Yeah.
This is an old ass apartment building. But then I was at a cemetery once with all my friends looking for ghosts on a full moon at like midnight, and we actually all saw the same fucking thing at the same time.
Apparition. Wow.
Poughkeepsie Rural Cemetery. Google it. It's one of the most haunted places in America. That's where we used to go looking for ghosts. And we saw this guy. They had people buried there from the all the way back to the Civil War. So we all saw this guy standing outside like one of those mausoleum things. Yeah, he was blue, and he had like fucking Civil War. It was like 12 of us. We all screamed and ran at the same time. So, yeah.
I wonder what it is though that makes ghosts have like their same outfits. You know, I know I don't know. Like that, does that mean when you die you wear whatever clothes you wear?
I guess some of them are stuck in because it's just, I don't know, it's just energy, right? It's transitioning from one phase to the next. They
say, but
it never goes away.
Well, I don't know though. I feel like, I mean, yeah, it could be. It's a really weird concept, but it could be like a memory or something too.
Mark,
things, things get attached to physical places that they've been at. Yeah.
You got a sniper?
Yeah.
I only have a Seiko.
I have a gun, and I could shoot him with it.
All right, there's 11.
Blast his face. Oh, I'm gonna blast through the window. Yes.
He's down here. Oh, and there's more people down here.
Ooh.
I'm just gonna, since this is my first game, see explore these guys.
There's somebody on the roof there.
There's also someone over here.
Or there was. Whoa. Damn it.
There's someone here on the first floor. And there's someone here in the open. Right below us.
I'm getting blasted from... god, oh god, oh god, fly.
I got someone reviving by me.
Yeah, me too, I hear. They're in the next room. Oh, did you get him? Oh, that sounds
I
like
got two of them. There's a third one. Here's the third one.
Oop, goodies. What do we got here? Nothing. Who's that? Oh,
That wasn't me. There's someone in
someone
here,
in
I
the
think.
window over there.
First floor, second floor? Oh, nice. He had
right
my
where I'm shooting
sniper. I think there's someone above him, too.
Oh, wrong button.
Yeah, there's someone right above me, guys, I think. I hear them.
In
They're reviving.
The floor above.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I got late. I'm here late, but it's okay.
That wasn't a
You running?
squad wipe, though.
Yeah, I haven't killed a single person yet.
I got a few shots in, but I got a few hits, but
Yeah, the most kills I've gotten was like 5, and that was like the max I've ever gotten in a
Oh, there's
game.
someone reviving here, too. You guys got to get good microphones.
I just have the one on the quest.
No, you got to get
No.
you got to get a headset that you can hear people reviving and walking, like. That's
Well, I
key.
mean, I could hear them reviving, but I can't like. Maybe
No,
I can't.
I have like
pinpoint that.
$100 like Bose headphones to
Yeah.
plug
Are
in.
you Are you on the Oculus or PC?
Yeah, well, it's an Oculus, but I'm using PC VR with the D-Link
gotcha.
to play wireless. It's my
Your
4080.
things are- Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, that's Yeah, I don't.
Plus, I'm not streaming, but I'm recording and then I post on Facebook sometimes and YouTube and
I
shit.
gotcha. Yeah.
that sounds fun.
Oh, there's a
That's
person over there, over working the market, like there.
Oh yeah, I see him.
There he is.
Almost killed me.
Damn it! I get one kill. I just want to feel like I'm actually doing something, you know?
Shit.
I'm
I
about
got
to
marked
die
over
too
here. There's
myself.
two
Okay.
right here by me.
Damn, how is he not dead? Oh crap. He's like right behind that defense. He's like really hurt. Yeah,
Oh, we
Yeah,
got the
nice,
dub.
Nice.
Nice. Hold on, guys.
I didn't even realize that was yeah, I did nothing in that game.
Wow.
No, you guys did good.
Killing it.
And we didn't
Hey.
even. We survived. Nice
Yeah,
job.
but freaking you got 11 kills. I didn't even see
Jesus.
11 people.
Oh, I'll post it on Facebook if you guys follow the Pop One page later.
I didn't even see 11 people.
Oh, and also
That's
check out
crazy.
my YouTube page. I'll post that shit too. Subscribe
Oh,
or whatever,
okay.
or not
Yeah,
if you don't
thanks.
want to. All right, peace out.